So what we're going to do is we're going to take this document that we've created on Adobe Illustrator and we're going to use the laser engraver to cut this out in the manila folder. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure that you delete these 3 lines. You have to get rid of these 3 lines. This one here, and this one here. You may have done that in class already. If you did, great. I have another job setting on the laser engraver that we'll talk about in a second that will cut those fold lines out for you. It won't cut them out, it'll just score them. Otherwise, it'll cut off the whole paper. We don't want to do that. So first thing you do to get this, you're going to go to File, Open on your flash drive. You should already have this open. Now you will go File, Print, like so. And you are going to go find the laser engraver. Now I'm going to go Setup here, and this is not what you want. Mine is defaulted to my 66 printer. I want to go to the Epilog printer. You might need to slide this tab over like so, or slide the scroll bar over to find it. Well, mine is right here, PVMS Room Epilog. I believe it says Copy 1 on yours. So you're gonna click on that. You don't want to close it because next you're going to go to Preferences. You will be following all of these directions right here. So we are right here. We just clicked on File, Print. We clicked on the left-hand bottom that said Setup. We're going to go to Epilog Engraver right here. So that's what we did there. And now we're going to click on Preferences. That's where we're on right now, Step 5. So I'm going to Preferences, Step 5. This will pop up. What you're going to want to click is Combined right here. The speed you're going to want at 100. We want it to go fast. The power we want 33. Otherwise it'll cut all the way through. The vector, which is what we're going to be using to cut it out, is going to be 65. And then the power is going to be 33. Once you have that, you'll change the horizontal to 11.5 and you'll change the vertical to 8. And then you'll hit OK and print and print. Now, what'll happen is when you go to the laser engraver, when you go to this, your name should pop up right here. And once it does, simply hit Go, which is this green button right here. So you're going to let that laser engrave. When it's done, you can actually go back in the room and sit and work until you hear the beep. Once you hear the beep, you'll go on here again and you'll find the job type that says Fold Lines. Once you find the job type, that's by clicking these 2 arrows. Find the one that says Fold Lines, hit Go. It will do the fold lines for you. Those are the ones that aren't going to cut it out, but I've already set that up for you. So you'll hit Go. You'll be done there, and then you're all set. That should be good.